David will be in charge of Albert's playful menu opener, Rose, a perfectly formed raspberry and lychee sphere, using Albert's groundbreaking liquid spherification technique, which he pioneered at El Bulli.
Estaba yo solo, recuerdo, en el taller. Lo mágico fue cuando de repente metí la mano y salió esa esfera, que al romperla se volvía líquida.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful little raindrops.
Yeah. You can make only two types of spherification, good and bad.
Okay. Oh, wow, it goes on top of that. Oh, my God.
And we have some rose water syrup, so you can smell aroma of the rose. Yes?
That's amazing.
Please, taste.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, we are happy.
It pops,
Yeah.
physically, and then the flavour just explodes in your mouth. It's unbelievable. So, so nice.
David needs to make Albert's trademark spheres for the rose dessert, which involves immersing drops of raspberry and lychee juice into a bath of seaweed alginate.
So you've got to make sure that you don't leave it in the seaweed solution for too long, otherwise it gets a thick skin. Because if it's too thick, then it won't pop with the flavour in the mouth. Then move it into the water, but be so careful not to break it. This is not going well.
The drop shape is not good for sure.
Yeah.
You need to try to cover it with a wave of algae bath. Otherwise, you're gonna do like the drop, and it's not good for the spherification.
I'll just get rid of them all, so I'll start again. I don't know if I'm getting the hang of it or not. It's very, very tricky to get the balls form into perfect spheres. I'm happy with those.
David is first up with Albert's rose dessert.
I am so intrigued of how it's going to look like. It is very feminine at the moment. There's lychee, raspberry, and rose with all the ingredients that I like.
The dish is quite complex. There is a shape element of it that is actually, to achieve, is difficult.
I can see those flavours working, but it sounds technically challenging.
They're not done.
Yeah.
They're not round, though.
They're not round, yeah.
How are they looking?
They probably need a bit longer, but...
We have to serve them. Let's go.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
David must carefully place the delicate raspberry, rose and lychee spheres on the flowers before spraying with a rosewater mist.
Oh. I've got a cloth.
Okay, you still got one more.
The smell is divine. It's beautiful.
The roses look good, apart from not every single one is exact. But I'm looking forward to the taste.
For such a small bite that was really packed with flavour, you get the beautiful rose, the raspberry, the lychee is really well balanced, and I think that pop of liquid that comes through is just fantastic.
The spherification for an amateur to get correct was really well executed. Fantastic. Well done.
Great likeness to what the kitchen normally produces, so very close. Congratulations, very good.
That's amazing. The sensation is brilliant. Oh, go and get us another one.